Topcoder has been an integral part of SpaceNet since our founding in 2016. In brief, SpaceNet is a nonprofit LLC comprised of In-Q-Tel Cosmic Works, Maxar Technologies, Amazon Web Services, and Intel AI. Topcoder enables us to reach a much broader group of researchers to build out solutions that exist in any one particular company. To date, we've posted 4 data science challenges on Topcoder. The depth, breadth, and quality of the responses we've received from challenge participants have been really impactful in the areas of foundational mapping. For example, both corporations and research institutions have used the code that we've open sourced from those challenges, either in their products or to help structure their research projects. For us, that's a huge sign of success.
We looked extensively, and ultimately Topcoder gave us significant flexibility around challenge design and structure. In considering a challenge platform, we decided to use Topcoder because of the flexibility we had in designing the challenge structure and metrics. One of our motivations with SpaceNet was to share geospatial data with a broader community of developers and data scientists. We've seen participation from a variety of backgrounds, many of which developers that have never used geospatial data before, particularly high-resolution imagery, and they've been able to apply and adapt algorithms from a variety of fields to help solve foundational mapping problems that can benefit areas such as humanitarian assistance and disaster relief.
First experience using the crowd was actually pretty informative. So when we were spinning up SpaceNet, the original challenge we had of building footprint extraction, people thought was way too easy. Well, there were some very interesting submissions, but people had really a tough time. Some of the scores weren't that great, and so that's really exciting in the sense there's more to be done, but also really drives home our approach of incremental challenges, incrementally improving the difficulty. And we've done 4 different challenges, and each time we've upped that level of complexity. So the dynamic nature of the crowd enables us to really be a little more flexible in what we do with the challenges. And so, again, we're doing this incremental increase in complexity, and so we might not be experts in all these fields, but we can pick and choose, and there's certainly people who have that expertise. So, for example, we're doing roads again now. It's going to launch very soon, and we did a roads challenge a little while ago, and we said, you know, let's give us something a little more complex, like road networks. Well, in the future, what we're doing now is we'll do something, we'll make it a little more harder, and we'll incorporate time into that as well. So this allows us to just really answer more interesting questions going forward.
In the course of the challenges that we've run with Topcoder, we've increased the complexity over time, adding additional layers. The first challenge, we were asking competitors to find buildings in just 1 city. In the second challenge, we moved to 4 cities, and competitors had to learn to generalize with their algorithms. And then finally, in our most recent building footprint extraction challenge, we asked competitors to try to identify buildings not only in imagery taken straight down, but also at an angle, so-called off-nadir imagery. And this is something that really has never been explored before. And by using this incremental approach, we've been able to get at new questions that no one's ever looked at.
Working with Topcoder has allowed us to really tap into a unique and talented pool of people. Because of that, I think we can solve some really challenging problems in the future. So working with new types of data, new modalities, problems like data fusion, and beyond that, challenges like generalizability. Can we train a model in one location and have confidence it will perform anywhere in the world?
The rapid advances in machine learning will fundamentally change how organizations use overhead data, such as satellite imagery. With Topcoder, we are able to truly achieve SpaceNet's goal of building a robust, open source community dedicated to geospatial analytics.